Monique Wormerly had been with the Columbus District less than 5 years, and in that time she'd been reprimanded repeatedly for various unprofessional conduct and for missing too much work. Then last month, she resigned from her position at Sullivan Elementary after she threatened a student by saying, "I have a notarized statement from your mom, and I can take you outside whenever I want to. I have over 100 pounds on you, and I hit hard." And the mother of the student involved did submit a letter to the district saying she had given Wormerly permission to redirect my daughter when she gets out of hand.
I think somebody need to take her. I think it need to go higher than the school board or something. I think she need to be incarcerated. Because I don't think you should threaten a kid like that.
We wanted to question the school district on camera about why Wormerly was allowed to continue working despite the many reprimands. They refused. The best we got was a statement saying that the district works with employees to help them be successful, but when that's not possible, we follow a negotiated progressive discipline process, which in this case resulted in the employee's resignation in lieu of termination.
She shouldn't be a teacher here if she's already had issues in the past with kids or whatever issues, because we're trusting our kids to the school and the people that they have watching over our kids.